Do you want to visualize where your companies for your leads are located? Then the map view is for you. When you first click on the map view, you will notice a map of the world with green pins that represent the companies that your leads are with. You can use the map similarly to the way you use other map applications. To zoom in, use the plus icon in the top left corner of the map. To zoom out, use the minus icon. You can also use your mouse or laptop trackpad to zoom in and out with. To search for a specific lead on the map, use the search bar at the top of the page. To search for a specific location, such as a city or state, use the magnifying icon that sits just below the plus and minus buttons. As you use the map view, Nutshell automatically applies a filter for the area of the map that you're viewing. This allows for you to easily click back to the other view pages to see the leads in that section of the map. You can also use the Find Me button to quickly zoom in on your location and see all the companies with leads in the surrounding area. To jump back to a wider view of the map, click See the World. And there you have it. Thanks for checking out our map video. Be sure to check out our other great videos on the lead page, and happy nutshelling!